guys, good morning. It is 7:30 a.m. on Sunday, and I figured I would do like my Sunday relax routine kind of thing. I did a 6 a.m. morning routine video that you guys seem to really like. I'll link that in the eye down below. Gonna be honest, I usually work on Sunday, but I'm trying this new thing where one day a weekend I don't work at all. I still get up pretty early. It's 7:30 a.m. I personally like to have relaxing but productive Sundays so that I'm just like ready for the week. My house is clean, everything's together, hair's washed, you know, all that good stuff. So figured I would take you guys along today. Already made my coffee, step one. So I just do a single shot of espresso to start off, and then I usually have like a second or third cup of coffee. If it's Sunday and I'm not filming, usually I'll like crawl back in bed where I am right now and watch some YouTube videos as I'm drinking my coffee. Before I hop into the shower, I'm gonna put on a face mask. I love doing this on Sunday morning or any morning when I'm trying to just like relax. But I love a good face mask. It's so relaxing to me. I'm almost out of the Origins Clear Improvements, but I did that one a couple days ago, so I'm gonna skip that one. I have some breakouts right now, so I might use the Out of Trouble. Ooh, also love this Summer Fridays mask, and this smells like fall. It smells like pumpkin spice latte. If I want a really good exfoliating mask, I'll go with the Body Shop Himalayan Charcoal. This is so good, dude. I think I'm gonna use good old Origins Out of Trouble today. This is it. It's got to go. I love the way this one smells. It smells like mentholatum. It's like super refreshing but medicinal smelling. Oh, mission complete. You know it's time to get in the shower when your face mask is flaking into your coffee. So my extensions have been out of my hair since May, so for a long time now. Since being off Aimovig, the shot I was taking, my hair has like fully grown back super thick like it was before, and washing my hair is always a project because I have a lot of it even without the extensions in now. So I almost always wash my hair on Sunday and just like style it and everything so that when Monday rolls around, my hair's ready to go for the week. I usually wash my hair once or twice a week. That's it. I'll use dry shampoo in between, but since it's such a process, I just like to get it done and do like the big one on Sunday while I have time. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna wash this mess. This is like 4th day hair, I wanna say. So something I mentioned in my July Raisin Rejects I've been using for a couple months now, and I'm so excited to show you guys these today again. I'm partnering with Briogeo on today's video. I've been totally obsessed with and I have fallen in love with is the Briogeo Be Kind, Be Gentle Banana and Coconut Nourishing Superfood Shampoo and Conditioner. My arm is about to fall off from holding this tripod. So I've been using these every time I wash my hair. My boyfriend has been using these. He loves the smell of these, and I love when he uses them because I can smell it on his hair. If you like banana and coconut, I can't even explain to you how amazing this smells. If you don't like banana and coconut, you would not like the smell of this. It is very banana-y. Besides the scent of these, they make my hair feel so moisturized. It's not just like soft, I actually feel like it adds moisture into my hair. Probably because there's coconut in here, which has fatty acids, and vitamin E, which gives your hair that hydration. And then the banana in here has potassium and antioxidants, which is gonna help nourish your hair. And there's acai, mango, and pineapple, so lots of antioxidants in here. Someone commented on my July Raisin Rejects video being like, how do you have the same amount of both? I actually double cleanse my hair always with shampoo just because I have a lot of it, and if I have like built up dry shampoo and stuff, I always double wash my hair, so that's why they're almost the same. But I am so sad I'm like almost out of these. It is like the ideal situation when I already love a product and then I get to partner with a brand to tell you guys about it. So when I agreed to partnerships with a brand, it's because I genuinely love the product and use this, and we'll talk about it either way. So I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like after I use this, and I'm gonna style it and everything today because on Sunday I'll also style it, like do the full blow dry curl, you know, all that good jazz. But Briogeo is giving you guys 20% off, and these are cheaper if you buy them in the bundle, by the way, so you can get an additional 20% off the bundle price too. So more info will be down below in the description box, but the code is Taylor for 20% off Briogeo. Now we wash. I always put on a podcast in the shower when I wash my hair because it takes a while. I was listening to Mallory and Keegan's last night. I love a good Bachelor podcast, so I might put on some Off the Vine with Caitlin Bristow.
Mom and Rob have happy hour. I remember, are you kidding me? They all had really in there. He was telling me actually really beautiful. But food and what did they serve? It was like...
Okay, so I just got out of the shower, just chilling in my towel. I was gonna say I'd chill in my car, not in my car. But this is the outfit I have picked out for today. Normally if I'm just like chillin' on Sunday, I'll wear yoga pants, but I am gonna be going to Trader Joe's later because I have to do some grocery shopping. So these jeans are actually super comfy. They're from Loft. They don't feel like you're wearing jeans. They're like super soft. I'll leave the exact ones linked down below, but these are like my favorite jeans as of recently because I don't feel like I'm wearing jeans. And then it is like almost fall. I mean, it's pretty much fall, but I have this one last summery shirt that I wanted to wear, so I'm gonna wear it today. It's from Norway, and then I think I'm gonna put on this belt that I got at ASOS. Super cute, like snake skin with the gold. I'll probably tuck this in a little bit, and then put on some black shoes. So if I'm blow drying my hair the same day, like right away, I'll put up my hair in the towel for about maybe like 15 minutes, and I'm just gonna put on these eye masks. These are from Pixie, the Detoxify. These are really nice. They just feel really like soothing. And I think I'm gonna make some breakfast now while my hair is kind of air drying. It smells so nice. So for breakfast, I think I'm just gonna do eggs and then some sourdough toast. Love a good piece of sourdough bread. Why did I stuff this in here? This jelly is so good. If you're based in the Pacific Northwest, it's bomb. I usually like to do one of these like big pieces of toast, and I'll do half with butter, half with jelly. Well, my eggs are cooking. This is what I like to do after this has been on for about 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I take off the towel. This heat protectant is probably my favorite. I've been on the hunt for a good heat protectant for a while now, and I just haven't been using one. And this is almost like a 2-in-1 for me. Like I can just put this in my hair with nothing else when it's damp like this before I style it, and I'm good to go. Like I don't put anything else in. Sometimes I'll put some kind of oil on the end of my hair. This is the Briogeo Color Me Brilliant Mushroom and Bamboo Color Protect Primer. So this smells like the hair salon. It has a pretty thin consistency. I'll just run this through, and I put this all over, so I start from mid to my ends, but I also like to bring this up on the top of my hair since I do need something to kind of help out with like the frizz and everything up here. Oh my god, it smells so good. I just like to make sure all of my hair is covered, and then I'll use my wet brush and just comb through. Because I'm going to be styling my hair, I always brush it through, but if I'm wearing it curly, I would do something totally different. So this stuff is especially good if you have color treated hair like I do. If you color your hair and you want to help with the fading and make your color last longer, and then also just protect your hair against the heat. It has natural ingredients in it like mushroom extract, bamboo leaf, and pomegranate extract. Okay, so then because I'm still going to be like eating breakfast and stuff, and I want my hair to dry a little bit more, I'll part it where I'm gonna part it. And then this step is something I found really helps my frizz. So if you also have frizzy hair and you need like help just making it look more sleek, to let it air dry, I'll brush it back, make it super tight, and then put it in a bun. Use a scrunchie, and then usually I'll leave it like this for like, I don't even know, a couple hours, like just while I'm doing other stuff or relaxing, so that it can air dry some more, but it's not air drying super frizzy. It's like sleeked back, and it also just helps make my hair look super sleek once it's styled. So I'm gonna go check on those eggs. Oh, do you hear that? Wow, I am a chef. Totally burned those eggs. Round 2 is going much better. This everything bagel seasoning is everything. Breakfast is served. Bon appetit. Ooh, look at that. Egg steam, half butter, half jelly. Got the rest of my coffee. During the week, I've been doing oatmeal, or trying to. Like I'll do oatmeal with the Khalifa. I think I've showed it in a past vlog how I do my oatmeal. But on the weekend, you know, I gotta have my breakfast. I love breakfast. It's like my favorite meal.
So today we're just gonna do a good old-fashioned Q&A.
So before I start cleaning and stuff and finish up my hair, I think I'm gonna pop on this mask. This has been in my fridge for forever because I felt like it would feel so nice if it was just like super cool. The sheet mask you typically want to use if it's like at night because you want the stuff to sink into your skin, or in the morning if you're just gonna be chilling like I am for a few hours without makeup and stuff on. You don't want to like put on a sheet mask and then get in the shower because it's gonna like wash off all the good stuff in here. They're always so big. This is the life. I'm really good at relaxing. I've just been making thumbnails. I actually really love making thumbnails. It's like one of my favorite things about YouTube. I think it's so fun. Sometimes I'll make like a few different versions and see which one looks the most eye-catching, you know? This one actually stayed on my face really nice. Like I was up and it wasn't sliding around. Let's see how my skin feels. Feels like it's like nicely absorbed in there too. Sheet masks always look really questionable in the trash. I've only used this a few times so far, but I've been trying the SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic. This is so freaking expensive. I don't know if it's worth it yet, but I'm trying to use this in the morning. So I'm gonna pop some of this on and then I'll probably put on the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. Doesn't smell the best, but if it works, I'm down. Yeah, I'm gonna be putting makeup on later probably, maybe. I'm also picking up my boyfriend today he was out of town for like 6 days, so kind of don't want to look like a bald dude when I pick him up, you know? So I'm probably gonna pop on some makeup later. So I'll put on my SPF before that, but because I'm just gonna be chilling here for a while longer, gonna do my normal skincare. Time to blow dry the hair. So I'm gonna take it out of the scrunchie. It's probably been in here for a couple hours. Like I said, I have a lot of hair, so it takes a while for my hair to dry. Putting it in the bun isn't like the fastest way to make it dry. I just find that my hair dries the best when I do it that way. It doesn't get as frizzy. And then as you can see, the top is like super smooth and not frizzy. Right now I would say it's maybe like 40% dry. The ends are pretty dry. Okay, wait, pause. Do you see how shiny my hair is right now? This is with no product in it besides the heat protectant. Like I haven't sprayed anything else in it yet. This is just after blow drying. So that took maybe like 10 minutes. My hair usually does not just blow dry like this silky smooth. Normally I would have so much more frizz. There's like barely any flyaways or frizz or anything on the top. So now I'm just gonna take my T3, best curling iron ever. I'm using the viewfinder right now, so wish me luck. Hopefully I don't burn off my forehead. Just curl away from my face in the front. And this I can usually do in like, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes. So the whole thing doesn't take me too long. This part right here always gets me. Let me know if any of you guys have this. I always get these like weird kinks and bumps right by my ear. I'll show you guys the finished hair. Hair is done. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. I'm in front of the window right now. I didn't put in any kind of shine product, nothing. I sprayed in some hairspray just to like set the curls. I'll usually let them sit here for like a couple minutes with the hairspray in, and then I'll kind of comb through a few of them with my fingers. But I'm gonna do my makeup. I can do my makeup or clean. First I'm gonna clean, then I'm gonna do my makeup. So I'll just let them chill here before I comb through while I'm doing that stuff. As you can see, my hair is super shiny, super healthy, no extensions in. My hair's grown a lot too. I just love the combo of these three products. So this room gets messy so fast because it's where I film, and after you film, even if the desk is clean when I start, shit gets everywhere. I do this every few days because it just gets messy that quick, but especially on Sunday before I know I'm going to be filming a lot this week. I just want everything to be organized and put away. I have some clothes down here that need to be put away. Stuff from traveling, like just random stuff all over. I'm gonna get to cleaning this. Usually when I do this, I'll put some stuff that I want to try in like another bag. I'll put stuff that needs to be put away or donated in a basket, and then I'll put them all in the white cabinets back there. But like all of this, usually I can actually like see the things in here. All of this needs to be just like organized, put away. Some lip products for a video I'm gonna be doing. This basket is supposed to be my like everyday news. LOL, there's like 45,000 in here, so just need to go through all of this and tidy it up. This new concealer I feel like is so underrated. I haven't been hearing a lot of people talk about this yet, but it is freaking amazing. It's full coverage from the drugstore. It has a really thin consistency. You literally only need a couple dots to get full coverage, and I've been in love. So I'll probably use this today too when I do my makeup a little bit later. And I have everything in organized piles. So this is all in this bag stuff that I want to try before I decide what to do with it. Like if I want to put it away, if I want to donate it, if I'm gonna keep trying it, whatever. So these are all things that I'll probably use some of these today when I do my makeup. And then this whole bin are things that I need to put back in the white cabinets, donate. These are some things that I've been trying that I like want to continue to try. These are kind of my go-tos. And this is kind of like my routine with how I reorganize everything here. It wouldn't be Sunday without some food delivery. Got my Chipotle and some fixer-upper. I actually used DoorDash this time. I kind of switched between Postmates and DoorDash. I like them both. So my Chipotle order, this is what I get every single time I get Chipotle. 2 stuffed tacos. I only eat the insides of them. It's cheaper than getting the bowl, and I don't ever finish the whole taco bowl. So I just get the insides. I get Sofritas, which is like the tofu. Corn is key. Corn makes this so good. Cheese, sour cream, the red salsa, and then I think the green salsa too. I have my order saved on there. Lettuce, and then I think that's it. I don't like beans on my tacos. And then I get a side of chips, guac, and then you gotta dip it all. I'm gonna just eat everything with the chips. It is so good. Just made my second cup of coffee. I have about 40 minutes before I have to leave to go pick them up. So I'm gonna get ready really quick. Like whenever I put these clips in my bangs right after I style my hair, I get like the kink mark. So I'm just gonna put it behind my ears. So I'm gonna dig into a bunch of the stuff that I put in this bag to try. Am I in focus? This vlog camera has been having so many issues focusing. I think I need to take it into Best Buy. I think I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover today. I've discovered it really depends on the primer that you have underneath. And I'm gonna try it with the Fenty Beauty foundation brush, which I haven't used yet. There's like a few foundations that I've been wearing that I think are breaking me out. I can't tell if this Maybelline one is one of them, but I love the way that it looks. Brush feels not super soft. So I think we're just gonna run to Trader Joe's right after I pick them up to get that out of the way. This e.l.f. Total Face Sponge, it says you can use it wet or dry, so I'm gonna try this dry on my forehead. I feel like that's soaking up a lot. I'm gonna use the CoverGirl concealer I was telling you about. This is the True Blend Undercover. I have the shade 150 Porcelain, which is, I think, a good concealer shade for me. You know what I need to add to my desk? Really need Q-tips so I can like wipe off my foundation on my brows. Okay, this e.l.f. brow pencil is bomb. I feel like I used to use this a couple years ago. I don't know if it's the same one, but it's the Ultra Precise brow pencil in the shade Neutral Brown. I want to use some of the neutral shades in the Nabla palette. So I'm using the shimmery shade, I Promise. I just ran CoverGirl 920 over the lid just for like some extra sparkle. Debating if I want to put eyeliner on or just mascara, but here's what that foundation looks like with MAC Fix Plus over top. This blush I just tried for the first time and it is beautiful. What is it called? Blurred Buff. I didn't realize it was going to be, it's not really like a cream, it's kind of like the Maybelline Dream. Remember those like bouncy blushes? It's this really pretty like natural blush color. This was the CoverGirl shadow stick I put all over my eyes. The shade is 920. So here's my outfit for the day. I love this belt. This is the first time wearing this belt. I just have on sandals because it's actually pretty sunny and warm out today. And then for lips, I just put on the ColourPop Just a Tint. What shade is this? Give Me Some More. So, ready to head out the door. Here's the finished makeup look. Normally, like I said, if I'm just like really having a introvert, no people chilling in my house kind of Sunday, I wouldn't be wearing any makeup or anything. But I just felt like playing around with some makeup and getting a little bit jazzed up for the day. But we're just gonna grocery shop. Let me know if you guys want to see a Trader Joe's video, like what I buy at Trader Joe's haul kind of thing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. If you want to check out Briogeo, I'll have the 20% off discount code and link down below. If you're new here, I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6 p.m. Pacific time. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.